Welcome to Green World Fashions Limited, your trusted partner in garment manufacturing. Our mission is to stand as a steadfast manufacturing ally for clothing brands across the globe. Here at Green World Fashions, we are not just about making clothes, we are about building lasting partnerships and driving success for our clientele in the global apparel industry. Our manufacturing company specializes in the mass production of denim and woven-based garments. All our garments are crafted to meet the unique specifications of our esteemed clients. If your clothing brand requires denim or woven-based apparels, then we can certainly produce it for you. Our manufacturing facility boasts 5 production lines and over 600 skilled employees whose combined effort can produce close to 2.4 million pieces of garments per annum. Now, let's have a quick look at our manufacturing process. In the very beginning, we develop garment samples here in the development department. The garment samples are tailored to our client's specific requirements. Once the samples are approved by our clients, the journey of mass production begins here in the fabric cutting department. In this department, large sheets of fabric are expertly cut into garment components. These components combine together to form a single piece of garment. So once the garment components are ready, they are sent off to the sewing department for assembly. Our sewing department has 5 production lines divided across 3 floors in our factory. In these production lines, each garment component is sewn together to create the final piece of garment. Once the finished garments come out of the production lines, they are sent off to our associate garment washing factories. In the wash factories, the garments undergo all the necessary washing procedures to achieve the desired color and texture. After washing is complete, the garments are sent back to our factory where they enter the final stage of production in our finishing department. In this department, the garments are ironed, they are adorned with buttons, rivets, leather patches, tags, and all other accessories. Afterwards, the garments are closely examined by our quality control team to ensure that every piece of garment meets our quality standards. Finally, each piece of garment is packaged and stored in our finished goods warehouse where they await export to clothing brands across the globe. If you choose Green World Fashions for your production needs, then you will have a manufacturing partner who can consistently produce garments for your clothing company precisely to your requirements while maintaining excellence in quality and timeliness in delivery. So contact us today and let us embark on a journey of excellence together.